tire room with heavy duty on it, you know. Big, y'all. Tire is scraping.
What pipe is that? That's too powerful.
Oh my God! YouTube, what's going on, man? Look, today we talking tires and sizes and knobbies, man. Yeah, I went ahead and made a little switch on mine, so let me know, man. Stay tapped into this video because we about to show you what we had to go replace ours, man. My son's one went out, so since his went out, I ain't gonna tell you too much. Stay tapped in, man. Tires.
What is that?
When I go fast, it starts turning sideways.
Oh, my butt.
Up there.
Oh.
Like when I go fast with it, it goes sideways. And you went in front of me. I was like on the gas, and it just like started like twisting like.
Oh, tire flat. Boy, got this. Yeah, the tire flat.
What?
See that spark right there? That's what did it. God damn. And that shit eating up on the tire. You know, gotta go hard that bit 250 kilo. Those little tools, they was just cheap tools anyway. That tool that we went and got in the front tire, that come from the shop. That come from the dirt bike store.
Yes, Lord, you see where we at, man. I gotta get this bike clean, man, because I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't washed this thing since the last goddamn ride out, man. I ain't cleaned it since the last ride. You know how I go, though, man. Let's get a little goddamn time lapse while we get this thing fresh and clean for y'all real quick. Time to get it clean.
I'm just saying, goddamn, bro, when the hell, y'all done wasted 3 minutes and I spraying out my little substance. Yeah, no, but I swear, it's like you be goddamn cleaning for 13 seconds. You look back, you done pay for 10 minutes, and that mother be like, 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Come on, man, cut the cap.
Alright, family. Guys, on to the next journey, you know what I'm saying? This man, listen though. That's why I love the Durango. You see all the space game? Check it out, man. Throw the whole tire back there. All this shit I need. Let the seat down. Got my bike on up in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, though.
Oh, I didn't want some. We don't have many tires in mine. Get y'all some dirt bikes. Y'all, look. Today we got 4 wheels over here. You can tow that. You can tow it. And you look. You can pull stuff with this. Morning. Ooh, that's nice.
Step by this spot, which car I'ma whip. AP a roller, which one on my wrist. All of these which one I'ma get. Which one? 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 Might switch it up, baby. Hellcat on the rate. Fly you out, PJ. Too many racks. Gotta switch the spot up on the safe.
There goes the famous boss man himself. Man, I try to tell them. That's it. Hey. Nothing more important than the smell of motor and rubber.
Yeah, just like these two, these three.
You'll be about right here. All right, now you'll be about right
Like these two, I think.
I know that little kid. Major, what's up, bro?
Yeah, it did. What's happening, brother? You good?
Major? What up, man?
What's up?
Got the mic hooked up.
Man, he said he coming up here to handle big business, man. He said he was tired of weighing on me.
Yeah, that boy got in the car and said, I'm going to drive up to myself.
You feel?
See what time y'all boys checking out the stuff.
Man, I was just goddamn woke up on the late-ish,
Man,
bro.
I'm going to go out there and watch, bro. I ain't got nothing else to do.
What day is it?
It's on Saturday and Sunday. But
I guess because you see they GoPro footage, it because they be the sponsor racer.
I crashed to that tree with all the roots in it. I crashed to the tree and I hurt my finger. What pipe is that? That's too powerful. How can you even? Is that the biggest pipe?
It was a wild height, dude. On the time.
Well, it sounds good.
well, I guess if your mechanic don't care, bro. What kind of mechanic you got? Come on, Major. Let's get that car out. You feel, bro?
I remember when I went back here once.
Yep.
And they showed me the other dirt bike.
470.
Yeah, it's right here.
Pull out phone. Hold on. I know the answer. YouTube, yes sir. So we back, man. We at the spot, and you know what I gotta do now? Gotta put that man tire on. Went heavy duty on it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Heavy duty on that tube. Boom. I went ahead and taped the inside of the rim already. Greasing them bearings, little waterproof grease. All we gonna need, ready, is these little right here, little pinch forks to grab them up out of there and put them up in there. You did. These are made by Motion Pro. So yeah, man, if you wanna look into that. So anyway, let's get this job on the road, man. Like I said, we're going heavy duty tube, heavy duty new tire. The head headed the right way. Nope. It's time to go ahead and get it up in there, y'all. The rim in there first. And then we wiggle the other side in there next. Make sure it ain't kink. Got the tube in there, as you see. So now we're gonna wiggle it in. So this is the most crucial part, right? You don't want to pinch your tube that you just purchased, right? Slide out. Yeah. That way I know this side is safe for sure. Try to put that thing on that bike. Yes, gang. So we got the tire on, and right now I'm heartbroken. Do you know why? We about to get on Kibo. Tell 250 Kibo we got pulled back up to the shop because of him. Tire too big, y'all. Tire is scraping. I thought when I got it on the bike and adjusted the chain, we might get a difference. Nope. So yeah, man. Alright, yeah, we don't want. Thank you, Kibo.
Hey, it was my fault because I'm the one who picked it out.
Yes, sir. So as y'all see, since Major we ain't got a new tire, look what I did. We ain't got Juicy on it too. So yeah, man, you know what the move is. We about to hop on and get outside. It's been rainy for a couple of days. And now we got some clear. He already out there. Hold on, here you go. There you go. Yeah, man. We finna get on.
There we on. What it do? We outside with it? Just a camera. As I can see, gang, over the past couple of days, it turned into water, so I'm finna carve it on up and get that thing right. You smell me? I'm leaking gas over here. Is that? Look at that out here. What happened? Who made the guy? Oh, that is the guy who did that. Why is you got clear one? Oh shit! What you gonna do, little buddy? Just playing with some rebound adjustments and stuff. Checking out the back spring raid. I've been playing, man. Got new tire on the front bed. Got a little bit of death wobble on the handlebar. A rebound coming in. Should be going back to the floor quick enough. Whew. Damn. Like everything is drenched. That's crazy. So yeah, that bad tire feel good. I'm gonna grinding, snatching, and lifting. Doing their job. I adjusted the shots. Adjusted my goddamn rebound on the swing arm, rear shock work, all that good stuff. So I'm liking the way it feels. That's pretty slippery conditions right now, and it did its own. So yeah, man. So like I said, man, the back tire feels good. You know what I'm saying? The 120 grab got a little more meat. I see when I got down a little lower in the corners, it was able to pick me up when I got in the band. So I'm about to play with the tuning a little bit more. I made it a little bit too much lean boggy, so I'm about to go richen it up just here. But yeah, man, besides that, man, you see what's going, man. Hey, I came out here, got this in for y'all, man. It's been about a week and a half vlog, but like I said, I'm gonna keep this shit coming. Rain, snow, sleet, hail, fire. But yeah, man, we're gonna wrap this video right here. Y'all tune in, stay tuned in, subscribe, like, and man, tell a friend to tell a friend, come back again.